In this lesson, we will understand and create administrators. Now we are inside the Administrator section of Open VTS. This page is used to manage all administrator accounts inside the platform. From here, the Superadmin can create administrators, manage administrator accounts, monitor usage, check login activity, and directly access administrator panels. Let us understand the complete screen step by step. At the top left corner, we can see the page title, Administrators. Below it, there is a short description saying, Manage System Administrators. This confirms that this page is used for administrator management. On the top right corner, we can see the Create Admin button. Clicking this button opens the administrator creation form. From there, the Superadmin can create a new administrator account. We will understand that form separately in detail. Now let us move to the control section below. On the left side, we have the search box. Here, you can search administrators using name, email, role, or other related information. As you type, the administrator list gets filtered automatically. This helps quickly find a specific administrator. Next to it, we have the Filter button. Clicking Filter opens filtering options depending on available system configuration. This helps organize administrator records more efficiently. Now look at the middle section. Here we have the Records selector. This controls how many records are shown per page. For example, 10, 25, 50, or more, depending on system settings. If you increase the number, more administrators become visible on the same page. Next is the Refresh button. Clicking Refresh reloads the latest administrator data from the server. Use this after creating, updating, or changing administrator details. Next is the Export button. This is used to export administrator records. Depending on the system configuration, data may export as Excel, CSV, or other supported formats. This helps create reports or backups. Next is the Columns button. Clicking Columns allows you to show or hide table columns. This helps customize the administrator table view according to your preference. Next is the Full Screen button. Clicking this expands the table into a larger full-screen workspace. This helps manage large amounts of administrator data more comfortably. Now let us move to the main administrator table. Each row represents one administrator account. The first column contains the selection checkbox. This is used for selecting one or multiple administrator records for bulk actions if supported. Next is the administrator column. Here we can see profile initials or avatar, administrator name, and username. This helps identify the administrator account quickly. Besides some names, we may also see small status indicators or badges depending on account state. Next is the Login column. Here we can see the Login switch and Login button. The switch is used to enable or disable administrator access. If the switch is enabled, the administrator can access the system. If disabled, administrator login access may be restricted. Beside it, we have the Login button. This is very important. Clicking Login allows the Superadmin to directly enter the administrator panel. This helps troubleshooting, support, checking administrator configuration, and assisting administrators. The Superadmin can temporarily access the administrator environment without knowing the administrator password. Next is the Contact column. Here we can see administrator email address and mobile number. These details help identify and communicate with the administrator. Next is the Organization column. This section shows company name, organization details, and location information connected with that administrator. This helps identify which business or organization the administrator belongs to. Next is the Usage column. This section is very important. It shows resource usage related to the administrator. The first value usually represents assigned or active vehicles. The second value usually represents available credits, license usage, or resource consumption depending on system configuration. This helps the Superadmin monitor administrator resource allocation. Next is the Recent Login column. This shows the last login date and time of the administrator. If the administrator never logged in, it may show Never. This helps monitor administrator activity and account usage. Now let us create a new administrator account inside Open VTS. To create a new administrator, click on the Create Admin button from the Administrators page. After clicking the button, the Create Admin window opens. This form is used to create a new administrator account for managing users, vehicles, and operations inside the platform. First, enter the full name of the administrator. Now enter a valid email address. Next, select the country code and enter the mobile number. Now create a username for the administrator login. Next, create a strong password for the account. Now enter the company or organization name. Here, enter the credits you want to assign to this administrator. Now enter the complete address. Next, select the country. After that, choose the state. Now select the city. If available, enter the PIN code. After filling all the details, click on the Create Admin button. The administrator account is now created successfully and will appear in the administrators list. Now we can search the administrator we created using the search bar. After searching, place the cursor on the administrator name to view all important details related to that account. Now click on the administrator name. This opens the dedicated administrator control panel for that specific administrator account. In the next lesson, we will explore the administrator panel and understand all its sections and features step by step.